guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Jojo Palacio, and on this channel today we're blogging, but usually we talk about all things beauty, and we are today too. So today I'm on my way to get this turned into blonde. If you guys have been watching my channel for a while now, you know that I've been slowly transitioning into blonde. Or maybe I haven't mentioned it, I've just done it and you haven't seen it. But I used to be like all brown, which is up top here. Then I started slowly adding some highlights. And then today we're actually doing a more blonde balayage moment. So you're gonna see a transformation. I thought I'd take you guys with me. So we are going to Gladys Parker's studio, which I've been watching her on Instagram for a minute now, and I will tag her here for you guys to know who she is. If you're in Naples, I love her work, not only her coloring, but also she does extensions, and they look gorgeous. It's not just your regular tape-in or sew-in like pieces. It is like a whole beautiful, natural looking thing, and I just love her work. So I decided to do some coloring with her. We're gonna do that today. I've actually look a mess. Not that my hair usually looks any better than this, but I look a mess. I just did a client, so I finished, wrapped up at the studio, and now I'm headed to do my own.
Turn left.
My own little work. So I will take you guys with me today. I'm so excited. The next time you guys see me, I will have my hair cut and styled, so I will see you in a bit. All right, guys, so I am back with the finished product. Look at these. She called them money pieces, and I am so excited to have them because they're gorgeous. They're so cute. I love how they frame the face. Definitely a few shades lighter, which I like. And she also taught me a few tips on how to create these like very loose beachy waves, so I cannot wait. I will have a few pictures posted on my Instagram, but this is the finished result. I'm starving because it took a little longer than I thought it would. Like, I knew I'd be there for a while, but I'm hungry. So love you guys, bless you guys, and I'll see you guys next time.